Well, my beard is still on the ground. Back from when I got my hair cut, my beard trimmed. It kind of got scattered around. Oh no, some critter came out here messing with it. Need to have a bonfire with some hot dogs, marshmallows, maybe make some s'mores. I think that'd be fun. The turnips I had sitting here in the bags, you can see the round spots there where they were sitting. I was a little bit lazy and left them sitting here during our snowstorm, ice storm, and it got down to -7 degrees Fahrenheit here, and a lot of those turnips didn't survive. But anyway, I moved them out here into the garden, and I wanted to see, what would survive, or what did survive, and what didn't. So the ones that I had put in the garden before looked like they're doing pretty good. There might be one or two in there that's not producing, kind of like that one right there. It's just not putting the top up yet, but I think it's because it's been sitting in the shade. But it feels pretty good. It feels good. There's another one right there. You can barely see it. But it's starting to put green top up. But these are coming on. These are going to be thick, luscious green turnip greens. All right, so over here, from those bags, of course, I've been putting other stuff out here. I've been putting the compost stuff that I bring out here on this side. But you can see some of those big turnips in there. All of these little turnips that I put in here froze and then started turning into mush. These were in the same bags, but these were a little bit more towards the center, I guess. Some of them look like they're surviving, some of them don't look like they're going to do very well. But I separated these from these because I know those were going bad. I started dumping my compost stuff on top of them. And I figured I'd just compost out here instead of over in the other compost pile, because I'll be moving the other compost pile over here. I'll set these aside, and whenever I get the garden spot filled out with my compost and my composted cow manure, and all that stuff, get it filled in good like that, then I'll plant these in here just like I did these. So these turnips, hopefully, all of them, hopefully, will start putting up good turnip greens. And that was part of my goal when I brought home these turnips were all a dumpster find. I don't know if you remember, or if you saw those videos where I went dumpster diving. It's been a while. Yeah, I was a little bit lazy about getting them into the garden, but at least I've got some to use. And I'm gonna also be starting some turnips from seed, so I can get turnip greens from them as well. But this is one of my projects I need to do, and I don't know if you noticed, but this corner is down a little bit low, so I need to do something to kind of level this out, make it kind of match the rest of this garden here. I don't want it to look like these are nice and smooth and blend in together, and then this one's like a ship leaning over and killing over like it's getting ready to sink. So I need to work on all that and get that done before I start filling it in. So I figured I'll get more cardboard and start laying it down. We ordered a bunch more of these 4x8s. I think we I'm thinking 27 to 30 of them so that we can fill in our garden. And I don't know if you remember, but I wanted to go from the white fence out 50 feet this way. And then I'll go up here, turn around and show you the other direction that I want to go. And I wanted to go all the way down to that tree, which is a good long ways. So 50 foot out from the white fence. Well, I don't know exactly how far that is from the fence to there, but I'm figuring 50 foot and then all the way back up here. And I'm going to fence it in with a fence like this and these fence posts all the way around, hopefully to be able to keep the deer out and other critters. So as the nice days come around, I'm going to be doing a lot of this. I'm also going to be doing other projects, working over at the other house. These are little peas, green peas that are coming on. I really thought the cold weather was going to knock them out, but cold weather didn't affect those at all. It's kind of funny how that works. But anyway, that's where my garden is right now. I do have some spinach in here. It seems like it's survived the cold weather. And a few smaller ones in there that should be coming on here soon. My onions there, my green onions, look like they did okay. But anyway, that's where I'm at with this garden. And that was a good garden update. Alright, talk to you later.